Here's another great find from the Bring a Trailer website. It's one of our favorite websites to find unique older vehicles. This is a Wagoneer from 1970. This refrigerator body style was very, very popular, although the wood grain luxury grain Wagoneers are things that people are paying big money for in Martha's Vineyard. These old, more basic versions of it are extremely popular. It's basically the same vehicle. It tells you what it has for details. It says 42,000 miles, but it's really TMU, which is true miles unknown. Decent color. Looks like it's in good shape. It's in California. Right now the bid is at 10,000. Still got a week to go, so it'll probably do more. But this is a good example of a classic older SUV where the market on these is huge. We're seeing them at Barrett-Jackson and Mecum go for big money, and sometimes if you get it outside of the auction ecosystem, you can get a pretty good deal. A little surface rust, nothing major. Looks like the frame is in decent shape. It's got a lot of original look to it. Doesn't appear to be majorly reconditioned. And from the sticker, this looks like a new dealer sticker when it was sold new in Colorado. So a lot of times when you see these vehicles, if you look at the little details to find out what the history of it is, it'll give you a good indication of what it's worth paying for and how it might add to your classic car fleet.